Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed technical analysis of Palantir Technologies, a high-growth Nasdaq stock, using data up to May 30th, 2025. This analysis leverages a rich dataset with price action, volume, and key technical indicators to uncover what's driving Palantir Technologies' market moves. With its focus on AI-driven data analytics, Palantir Technologies has been a hot topic among investors. Let's break down the charts to see where it's headed and what opportunities might lie ahead. As always, this is for educational purposes only, so let's jump into the numbers and explore the signals. Palantir Technologies has shown remarkable growth over the past year, with its price soaring from $21.32 on June 3, 2024, to a high of $133.49 on May 14, 2025, before closing at $131.78 on May 30th. This represents a staggering increase, though not without volatility. Daily trading volume has been robust, peaking at 201 million shares on May 6, 2025, and averaging around 60 million shares, reflecting strong market interest. However, recent price swings, like the drop to $105.32 on May 6, highlight the stock's sensitivity to market sentiment, likely tied to its high valuation and AI sector dynamics. Starting with moving averages, we see a bullish trend. The 5-day simple moving average, or SMA, climbs from $119.75 on May 5 to $124.91 by May 30th, signaling short-term strength. The 20-day SMA, capturing a broader trend, rises from $101.07 to $122.88 over the same period. Exponential moving averages, which prioritize recent prices, reinforce this. The 10-day EMA increases from $113.64 to $124.67, and the 20-day EMA jumps from $105.59 to $121.09. These upward slopes across SMAs and EMAs confirm a strong bullish trend, though the gap between short and long-term averages suggests potential for pullbacks if momentum slows. Momentum indicators provide deeper insights. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, or RSI, sits at 65.32 on May 30th, just below the overbought threshold of 70. This indicates strong buying pressure but not yet overstretched. Earlier, the RSI hit 87.27 on April 30th, 2025, during a peak at $130.58, signaling overbought conditions that preceded a correction to $108.86 on May 6. The Williams percent R, another momentum gauge, is at -9.25 on May 30th, suggesting Palantir Technologies is near overbought territory but not extreme. Earlier dips to -83.79 on July 24, 2024, aligned with oversold conditions during a price drop to $26.60, showing how this indicator flags buying opportunities. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, highlights trend shifts. On May 30th, the MACD line is at 5.51, with the signal line at 6.28, producing a negative histogram of -0.77. This bearish crossover suggests short-term momentum is waning, potentially signaling a consolidation phase. Contrast this with April 30th, when the MACD histogram was positive at 2.86 during a bullish surge. The recent negative histogram, combined with high prices, warrants caution for short-term traders, though the overall uptrend remains intact. Bollinger Bands offer a view of volatility. On May 30th, the middle band, a 20-day SMA, is at $122.88, with the upper band at $134.50 and the lower band at $111.26. Palantir Technologies' closing price of $131.78 is near the upper band, indicating it's trading at the higher end of its volatility range. On May 6, the price dipped to $105.32, touching the lower band, which acted as support. The bands have widened recently, reflecting increased volatility, but a move closer to the middle band could signal a pause in the rally. The parabolic SAR, which tracks reversals, is at $115.83 on May 30th, well below the closing price, confirming the bullish trend. On May 6, the SAR was at $125.26, above the price, signaling a brief bearish phase. The current SAR position supports continued upside, but a price drop below it could indicate a trend reversal. Volume indicators shed light on market conviction. On-balance volume, or OBV, has risen from 33.88 million on June 3, 2024, to 3.61 billion by May 30, 2025, reflecting strong buying pressure. Volume spikes, like 185.9 million shares on May 30, align with price jumps, reinforcing bullish sentiment. The Chaikin oscillator, measuring money flow, is positive at 10.55 million on May 30, indicating accumulation. However, negative readings like -44.12 million on May 29 preceded price dips, warning of distribution phases. The average directional index, or ADX, measures trend strength. At 17.78 on May 30, the ADX is low, suggesting a weak trend despite the price surge. This contrasts with a high of 38.14 on April 25, 2025, during a strong uptrend. The current low ADX indicates Palantir Technologies may be consolidating, potentially setting up for a stronger move if a catalyst emerges. Stochastic oscillators add nuance. The 15-day stochastic %K is at 65.99 on May 30, with %D at 62.97, showing moderate bullish momentum. On April 30, %K hit 96.92, signaling overbought conditions before a pullback. The ultimate oscillator, blending short dash, medium dash, and long-term momentum, is at 48.99, reflecting balanced momentum. These suggest Palantir Technologies has room to run but could face resistance if overbought signals intensify. What's the big picture for Palantir Technologies? The stock is in a robust bullish trend, driven by strong fundamentals in AI and data analytics, with moving averages and volume confirming sustained buying interest. However, the max bearish crossover, near overbought RSI, and proximity to the upper Bollinger Band suggest a potential short-term pullback or consolidation, possibly testing support near the 20-day SMA at $122.88 or the SAR at $115.83. The low ADX hints at a lack of strong trend direction, so a breakout, bullish or bearish, may depend on external factors like earnings, AI sector news, or market sentiment. Long-term investors may see dips as buying opportunities, given the stock's growth trajectory, while traders should watch for MACD and RSI signals to time entries. That's our technical analysis of Palantir Technologies. If you found this helpful, please like the video, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What stock should we analyze next? Let us know. As always, trade smart and do your own research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.